Day 2. I'm finally off the road, at least for a little while. I had a pretty good night's sleep, or better than the first night anyway. It was a little bit more snow here than I expected. I was gonna orientate myself after the waters and lakes here, but they're of course under the snow, so it's a little bit tricky. But hopefully I will reach the other end without ending up in the water. The Norwegian Trekking Association wanted me to cross over this river. That was so scary and so cold. I almost fell because it was quite powerful, but I made it. Wow. I need to change some bandages. It was much deeper than I thought too. It's beautiful though. Right now I've been walking for 8 hours and I'm really tired. I want to stop. I'm on top of a mountain and I need to get down first. There's a couple of kilometers left and there I will end up by a little water. I don't have much water left in my camelback, so I'm really looking forward to get to that little water. I've been thinking that I've been on the top like 5 times, and every time I get to the top I see another, and then I get to that one, then I see another one, and so on and so on. So it's been very testing, both physically and mentally, but it's been a beautiful day. Still such a good view, but my back hurts, so I'm bending down maybe every 5 minutes just to get a little break, because my backpack is so heavy and it just seemed to get heavier and heavier and heavier. Look at this cozy little spot I found. Super nice. I actually thought that the snow was gonna be a big challenge, but actually it has helped me out quite a lot. It's given me easy access over rivers and down the mountainside. And yeah, it's just hard enough so I won't go through it, and soft enough so I can get a good grip. So it's perfect, and I'm really grateful for that. I've just crossed a big river, and the stream was also very, very powerful. I went back and forth to try and find the best place to cross. I went into the water, and so after like 5 steps I turned upstream and I see this huge chunk of ice coming floating towards me, and I bend down to catch it, to kind of pull it aside, just try to make it follow the stream. But it was a bit broader than I thought, so
it just hit me. I fell. And I just tumbled down the river. Finally, my foot got a grip on one bigger stone in the river. And I was able to stand up, and I got over to the other side. And now I'm safe, and I'm so grateful.